finished making ice cream for the day. The machine is ready to be cleaned out. Just made our last batch. What we would do is we have a sprayer nozzle here. Open that lid up, and this is our water valve control. And I don't have this machine hooked up to water right now, but if we turn this on, we'd be able to spray water in and kind of wash out all of this, the intake section, and then it would rinse out. It would rinse out everything inside the machine, fill it up with water, run just the dasher. We don't run the refrigeration when there's water in there. Turn it all up, melt all the ice cream, rinse it out for a couple of cycles. Since I don't have this water hooked up, I'm going to use a bucket of water. Okay. Close the lid, ready to turn on the heater. And it's just going to churn up that water, it's going to melt everything. We might have to run a couple of cycles of water to kind of flush out the ice cream that's in there. We really do want this to be as clean as possible before we disassemble it. So it makes our job a lot easier when we have to brush clean it after. Just take the water out. So as you can see, the water's coming out pretty clear now. So after a few rinses, you're going to start getting clear water. It's a good indication that it's pretty much ready for you to disassemble it. Let all that water drain out. Open this door up here. And we're ready for disassembly. We'll do that in the next video.